wonderful. To the classical.
मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बाजो लगदा जी.
Hi, I'm Gunita Singh from India Marketing and Communications team of Capgemini. This is the first year that we've actually gone with CTC, although we were talking in the previous years, and I'm glad we did it. We started a little conservative. We said we'll do 3 cities, but gradually I thought, along with, of course, our India HR, who's doing it in partnership with us, we said, let's make it grand, let's make it big. And then we went off with 6 cities. And the amount of engagement that we've actually experienced in Capgemini has been phenomenal. We didn't go with a competitive attitude of what we'll take to the grand finale. We just said, let the floor events, the audition round, become the most engaging factor of this whole show. And that's how we were able to bring in 1,000 people, 1,000 performers on the floor. So I thought this was a great opportunity for us to not only engage our employees, but I also thought that we actually discovered talent. We discovered 3 rock shows which we had none to begin with. And we would want to do it in the same spirit of making it a floor event for our company, for our employees to be engaged with. And I think from that perspective, from that goal, we have really achieved success.
My name is Mantra Linivasan. I am the General Manager for TVS Motor Company, handling the institution business and activations. We have been associated with CTC for the last 3 consecutive years. This has given us a platform to engage ourselves, to be meeting corporates where our TGs are present. So CTC has given us a platform where we can enter corporates, where we can go share our thought process and bridge our gap, and we can also say our product is available there. We have been associated with CTC for the last 3 years. Hope we continue our partnership for a longer period.
Hi, I'm Aman Bansal. I'm the engagement personnel here Motor Corp, Gurgaon plant. First year that we had this program, and it's a very interesting platform wherein all the employees of our company that have different talents. Last year it was only done in the Gurgaon plant, but this year we took it forward to all the plants and all the locations of our Hero Motor Corp.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because coming up first is Priyavi from RBS Business Services, Chennai. She's trained in Carnatic music for over 10 years now. She's already done playback for films and performed at several reality shows. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Priya V from RBS Business Services, Chennai, who will be singing a song which is Daddy Mummy from Bhag Jane. Let's give her a big round of applause.
I'm so excited first. Bust guys are in front of I'm singing, so I think we're all blessed actually.
Yeah. Hey, hello, everybody put your hands up to the beat. Daddy mummy है ने कपड़े में घुस के कुछ तो करेंगे चुपके मिल जा
मुझ पे भारी फिर भी लूं जिम्मेदारी भूल जाऊं मैं शो में बेबी डैडी मम्मी कहने गए पिछले कमरे में घुसे तो करेंगे चुपके बेचारा
Wow. What does the lyrics mean?
It's like mom and dad is not there,
Okay.
and I'm free at home.
Okay.
So
So?
let's enjoy.
Wow. You serious?
I didn't mean like that.
No, that's all right. You can mean it. Yeah. We men are very nice people. We take it seriously. Ask all the men. Everybody's saying, such? मेरे लिए कोई ऐसा गाना क्यों नहीं गाती? Okay, never mind. You're from Chennai, right?
Yeah.
Well, you know, it's amazing. You should make more songs like these. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen. Priya V, fantastic. And let's have Subhash ji comment on this fantastic performance.
Priya, very good, very good. I
Thank
would
you so
say I appreciate your power of your voice.
Thank you.
And the energy you carried in the song. It
Thank
was
you.
really beautiful, I would say. But the song itself is so energetic and so much background score and the orchestra.
Yeah.
You see, heavy orchestra coming on your voice was really depriving us to listen to you properly. But still, you carried on so well. Congratulations. God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much. Thanks a lot.
Ashley's smiling. Just look at that big smile on his face. Ashley, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No, I'm not thinking what you're thinking. That's for sure.
Ashley, even if he's thinking, he won't say that. All right.
Priya, love your voice. Superpower.
Thank you.
I think what I like most is you're a showman. You know, you really show your song off. I felt कि जब आप शुरू किया था तो beginning में थोड़ा सा there was a slight kind of disconnect between you and the band, and then slowly you started to catch that, and then you started to fly with it. Also, like I felt that it was a bit difficult to get hold of your voice fully, because there was the orchestration behind was so strong and powerful behind. So it was very hard to. Later, it started to make sense. I feel in the in-betweens. Usually जो होता है जब singer sing करते हैं तो in that time you're in full mode.
Okay.
जो in-betweens में होता है, how do you fill that up as a performer and not go inwards?
Okay.
In the last one, you really went out in the in-between, and that's when I got you as a performer. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
In the first two, you were like waiting for the music. In the last one, you weren't waiting for the music. You were enjoying your audience. And that was amazing. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ashley. Leslie Lewis.
Hi, Priya.
Hi, sir.
तो RBS के सब parties rocking होंगे ना?
Yeah.
You guys must be really rocking every time you perform at your parties. Do you?
Actually, now only I joined. So
अच्छा तो अभी
I completed my 1 year and waiting for the bash, and today is the bash at Chennai.
Oh wow! So from now on, you are going to really have a great party every time.
Definitely.
Great energy. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
एक कहने के लिए कि you have to watch your notes क्योंकि music इतना strong है कभी-कभी आपके notes को cover कर लेता है.
Okay.
तो that doesn't mean it's okay to have the notes a little off because you're a very good performer. You're a very good singer.
Thank you, sir.
Thoda you have to focus on that, but overall superb energy and great performance.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
All right, Priya. Judges really happy with the way you've done. Now let's see the score. Leslie, secret Leslie. Ashley, let's go with you.
Priya, I agree with Leslie. There were places where I thought the pitch was slightly there. So.
Okay.
But overall amazing.
8 points, fantastic.
Thanks a lot.
Very well done. Subhash ji. 8 points, fantastic. Let's give a big round of applause. Priya V.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks, everyone.
Whoa.
I performed very well. And one judge's score is secret, and it's okay, whomever is won, because we are all actually
graceful.
extremely gifted and a beautiful dancer.
Coming up first is a self-learned choreographer who's trained not professionally but enjoys watching Hrithik Roshan and many others. So please welcome on the stage Abhinav Soyal from Tata Technologies, Pune, who will dance to Mera Man from the movie Nautanki Sala.
Hi, I'm Abhinav and I'm from Tata Technologies, Pune. And basically I'm a design engineer, but dance is my hobby. So I just keep that with my job profile going on. And CTC has given me a great platform to show my talent.
तुझसे ही तो मिली है राह, तू ही तो मेरी है चाह, तुझसे ही तो जुड़ी जिंदगी। तेरी यादें है कुछ अधूरी, सांस आधी है कुछ है पूरी, आँखों में है कैसी ये नमी। मेरा मन कहने लगा पास आके न तू दूर जा, छूने दे होंठ तेरे जरा सांसों में अपनी बसा। तुझे अपना बना लूं, तुझे तुझसे चुरा लूं, तुझे खुद में छुपा लूं साहिबा। एक मुझ पे करम हो, तू ही मेरा सनम हो, तेरी मुझ पे नजर हो साहिबा। मेरा मन कहने लगा पास आके न तू दूर जा, छूने दे होंठ तेरे जरा सांसों में अपनी बसा।
क्या बात है, graceful, nice. Does dancing help you in real life?
Yes.
How?
I got to pass a lot of time with the dance, and with dancing, I used to connect everything. Like when I'm studying also, I used to dance. So that is.
मतलब सोचो आप biology पढ़ रहे हैं आप.
Yes.
And then suddenly you feel like dancing.
So for heart, I should do this. While sleeping also, while getting up, I'll get up with the step.
So who sleeps next to you?
No one.
Thank God. All right. Okay, let's go on with the judgment. Subhashi.
Energetic, graceful, and beautiful. 3 words for you. God bless you.
Leslie.
Well, totally awesome, fabulous, and fabulous.
Leslie, are you a good dancer?
My dad has been a choreographer and a dancer, and so is my mom.
Wow.
So they said, "Bada hoga to dancer banoge daddy jaisa."
Acha.
So my dad's been one of the big choreographers in Bollywood.
Wow.
Sholay, Sargam, Kheke Pan Banaras, Yahoo, Jungli, yeah, PL Raj.
Wow.
So, thank you. So I got into music because I didn't want to be like my dad. and dance.
A little hatke.
But yes, I come from a dance family.
Fantastic. Now the man in demand for this round, Ashley.
Abhinav, I loved your concept. आपने act को एक पूरा act बना दिया. Your musicality was really, really amazing. और शुरुआत में you were really, really feeling it. लेकिन as you started to get tired at the end, I felt you let go of the feel a little bit. But so that last moment जब आप वो cup डालते हैं table पे ना, I would have liked you to just डाल के that feel. That was missing at the end. But overall, I think you are extremely gifted and a beautiful dancer. Thank you.
Fantastic from the master himself. All right, it's time for the scoring, Subhashi. 8 points. Very well done. Very well done. And let's have Ashley give a score. 8 points. Fantastic. And we're going to keep Leslie's score as a secret.
I think I could have done it better. The comments that I got from the judges is from Subhash sir. He said that you have made it a complete act. Ashley sir has told me that you are really fantastic dancer. So getting that comment from a very renowned personality in dance is a very big thing. So I'm very happy.
Loads of fun and drama brought us to the last performance of the Grand India finale.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this year they have decided to do Bollywood dance with all the taporiness that they can manage. None of the team members are professional dancers, yet they've come out of their comfort zones and given their best in order to represent their company. Please give a big round of applause for Bekhof and group from Apollo Tyres, Gurgaon.
We are Bekhof! And we will be. We are from Apollo Tyres, and now we are planning to do something unique, something different, something that is very close to us. We go to marriages, we freak out. And we are going to freak out on the stage, do Bollywood. And that is what we are prepared for. And I think we are gonna really, really burn the dance floor. Everyone will feel that they want to dance along with us. And that is the main agenda. Let's have some fun. Let's have some crazy fun, guys, right? Yeah? Yes? Will we? Will we? Yes! Louder, yeah. Come on, will we? Yes!
अरे काड़ू, रामपाल, अंगीठी, मुन्नी, इधर आजा सारे जल्दी.
अरे चाचा, क्या हुई गवा?
अरे ससुरा लोग तनिक इधर आओ तो सही.
आओ नहीं.
ईका है ताऊ, काला हो ये. हट बुर्बक, तुम गांव के लोग गांव के ही रहा तो. ई मैं डिब्बा लाया हूँ शहर से. इसमें गाना बजत है ढिंचक 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 धा.
चाचा हमें भी गाना सुनाई दो ना तनिक.
अरे तनिक क्या काकी, हम तुम्हें सुनाएंगे सारे गाने चिपक के. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करत है, ऐसे.
सुभाष घाई साहब।
बहुत अच्छा आइटम था और अच्छी बात ये थी कि +1 इन्होंने उसके अंदर अपना ट्रैक डाल के
जी
उसको एक नाटक बनाया, उसी गाने को आइटम ना बना के एक ड्रामा भी रखा, इसीलिए वो और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बन गया। द कोरियोग्राफी, द डांसर्स, द ग्रेस, एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी गुड। Congratulations to all and God bless you.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thank you, sir. Leslie.
You guys were really great. बहुत अच्छा एनर्जी था और जैसे वो आपने नाटक बनाया था, इट्स ग्रेट कॉन्सेप्ट, बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई जस्ट फेल्ट क्योंकि ये गांव का आपने सेटअप था, हो सके बॉलीवुड गाना था, इसीलिए मे बी योर आउटफिट्स कुड हैव बीन मोर बॉलीवुडी, हो सके, बट इट्स ऑसम, डैम गुड।
बहुत बढ़िया। आप पूछते हैं बास से, बोलिएगा सर।
Apollo Group. I thought it was very, very nice. I love this kind of dance. And it's like really, really, it's something I don't do, but I love it when I see it. Who was the boy in the center? You were there.
Oh.
What's your name? What's your name?
So Chaturveer Singh Gaur.
Yeah. For the whole, I could not take my eyes off you. The rest were there, but I was looking at you. And who was the girl in the center as well? The other girl in the center. Yes, I think you with your hands up. Yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Both of y'all were amazing. And the reason for that is that y'all were really enjoying the music. You were enjoying the music, so it was great. Thank you. All of you together, well done. Thank you.
Fantastic. Sir, आपका नाम क्या बताया?
Chaturveer Singh Gaur. My friends call me Veer. My friends call me Veer.
Yeah, it's nice, you know. Very good. You're a Veer man. You're good. Really nice, huh? All right, so it's time for the score, and let's go for the score. Let's start off with Subhash Ghai sir. Tell. Whoa, 8 point, fantastic. And your Ashley sir. 7 point, very nice. And Leslie Saab, Tanik, chup kariyega.
The judges who are sitting there, they have been legends in their particular field and they understand the nitty-gritties. We are here, and this is not a profession. We are here to have fun. We salute their feedback, standing in front of them, dancing, performing. It itself is such a big thing.
We got comments from Subhash Ghai and that we were standing there and Ashley Lobo was there and Leslie was there, and that was in itself an achievement for us. I think CTC has given us a really, really good opportunity, and I think all of us equally really appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts that we get to relive our passion at this age, at this time when I didn't think I would be doing this 4 years into my job. I didn't imagine I would ever get this chance.
Hats off and thanks to the Engage for More.
Now for the moment we all have been waiting for, the results. Who will win the grand finale?
With the performances coming to an end, the moment had come when months and months of hard work, blood, sweat and tears was about to pay off. The most nail-biting segment of CTC. The winners' announcements.
Now for the moment we all have been waiting for, the results. Who will win the grand finale? Who will take home the award and place it on their work desk on Monday morning? I can see the blood pressure rising. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see who wins. First of all, we'd like to call upon the stage our respected judges, Mr. Leslie Lewis and Mr. Ashley Lobo, to join us on the stage along with Nishant Parashar. I'd like to invite Mrs. and Mr. Vinod Sane, Mr. Sane, Chief Executive Officer, Reliance Communications Limited, on the stage as well. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye sabke liye. Let's have them on the stage. Taaliyon ke saath.
The first one to start in the evening while my colleague Navdeep gets the rest of the results. This is for Group Theatre Act, and Group Theatre Act, like we spoke about, it's run with the theme of Drive Responsibly, so Drink Sober was the theme, and the winner gets a chance, and a short chance, and what we are doing is we are sending them to Whistling Woods, and they'll be producing a short film, and the film will be on air, which is what I mentioned. So the winner for Group Theatre Act, and I hope they're here to to receive the award. It is team from Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Like we spoke about, there are 4 corporates in the queue or in anticipation. But the one corporate who really went all around, engaging employees across plants, across head offices, across retail front, engaging even the frontline employees to even a CEO participating. So that there's 3 key parameters that we spoke about. It is gender, age and geography. And there's one corporate who happens to win this hands down. The clear winner of this category is Titan Company Limited, and we have Panja here. Panja, if you can join us to receive the award, please. I'll request Leslie and Ashley to kindly do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause, please. So Titan participated for the first time, 9 cities. They had 8 people in the top 10 ranking, all across the disciplines otherwise. May I request you just to share, how has been your experience and, how you really went about it? Because it's a gold standard. What you really done this year is an inspiration that we would like to talk about to many other corporates. Over to you, ma'am.
In Titan, it's very normal to have people who've spent anything like 15 to 25 years. It's a very, very normal thing. So they're not employees, really. I think we think of them more as family. And that makes it easy to engage people, I think, really. In terms of internal talent, it's something that we always give an importance to. We always have them showcase their talent at least twice or thrice in a year in some platform or the other. I think what was exciting was that we've always been doing this talent contest within the company. But thanks to CTC, I think we've sort of taken it national, which was a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and many congratulations. And best wishes for the next season. We'll be now moving on to the next awards, and I'll request Tanaya Mishra. Ma'am, please do join us for the run-up awards.
Let's go on with the runners-up. Singer mein the runner-up is Priyavi. Zordar Taaliyan. Fantastic. From RVS. For the music, and the runner-up in music is from Capgemini, Anirudh Parlikar. It's time for the dance solo. Where are the dance solo contestants? Everybody's just looking. Yaar, main aau. The winner, or rather the runner-up, is Abhinav Soyal from Tata Technologies. Congratulations, very well done. And let's go on for the dance team. The runner-up is lockupboyshousing.com. Taaliyan ho jaan ke liye.
have our gifting partner, which is Gift XOXO. There are amazing vouchers there. And apart from this, we have our wellness and wearable partner from Get Active. So all the runners and winners are getting these prizes as well. So thank you so much, sponsors, for this. Yeah, great.
All right, now let's go on for the winners. But before we announce the winners, we have some special guests.
Yes. So I will request, thank you so much, Tanayam. I'll request Mr. Nivasan from TVS to join us, please, along with Mr. K.D. Pandya. Round of applause, please, for TVS team. They have been sponsoring TVS for CTC for last 3 years now. And today, all the solo winners each get a TVS Vigo. So they go home celebrating V time, correct?
The winner in music, and the winner is...
Our CTC rock stars have a small treat just for you.
The winners, let's go on with the singer, and the singer the winner is... from Tata Technologies, Sneha Kumari.
Guys, a very special thing about Sneha. So Sneha was participating last year as well. And she could not win it last year, but she attempted this time. She participated through CTC Cyber, that online contest. And here we have our winner walking onto the stage. Congratulations, Sneha.
Congratulations, Sneha. Very well done. Apne pati ko le jao. Your V time. Let's give a big round of applause. Come on, everybody. That's Sneha Kumari. All right, it's time for the winner in music, and the winner is... from Hidor Motor Corp, Rajesh Kumar. Let's give a big round of applause. For the solo dance, and the winner is... जो आदमी ने अपना दिल अपने हथेली पर रखकर डांस किया, देवियों सज्जनों जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए सनलैंड ग्लोबल से सूरज। सनलैंड से सूरज प्रसाद। Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now is team dance. देवियों सज्जनों, team dance के हमारे विनर हैं ladies and gentlemen from iGate Global Solution, Promenade. Ladies and gentlemen, brilliant having you guys here, but before we go any further, sir, I have some very important people to thank. A big thank you to all the HR, Spocks, the CXOs, the corporate world, के हर बाशिंदे को for the immense support for making CTs such a grand success. Our sponsors, TVS, Vigo, and IDC Ashirwad for their continual belief and support to CTC. Our TV partners, NDTV Prime, our venue partners, Sahara Star for their hospitality, and our other partners, Bukaru, Gift, Zozo, and get active. The judges Subhash Ghai, Leslie Libas and Ashley Lobo for believing in the corporate talent and taking their time out to encourage them.
Yay, I won finally CTC, and thanks to everyone who voted to get me here to CTC, actually with 1288 votes, and I'm so thankful to everyone. And here I have my husband who is so supportive. He came with me all through Jamshedpur to just watch this performance, and he's such a supporting and loving husband. Thanks CTC for giving such a beautiful platform. It's been amazing. I participated earlier, as I said, and this year it's just great. Thank you so much.
मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. जब मैं कंपनी से चला था तो मैं एक्चुअली में ना रियाज कर पाया. मैं एक हफ्ते से बीमार था और आज मॉर्निंग में थोड़ी सी मेरी तबीयत सही हुई. रियाज के बगैर भी मुझे इतना अच्छा प्राइज़ मिला. आई कांट बिलीव.
आई फील्स रियली ऑसम. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सीटीसी को थैंक्स और मेरे कंपनी को थैंक्स और टीवीएस को थैंक्स, एंगेज को भी थैंक्स.
Good evening, everybody. There's going to be a lot of noise and screaming, obviously, because we've just returned in being crowned the winners in the group dancing category. And this is Team Promenade from iGate Delhi. And this is the theme that you portray. They look all scary because that's the dance that we portray today. We portrayed the life of Aghoris, the hardcore worshippers of Lord Shiva. That's the dance that we portrayed. We got some outstanding comments from all the judges that it's a new form that they have witnessed. We as a company feel extremely proud of them for making us scale this. We've been coming to CTC every year, and the mark is that every year one of our teams has been making it to the finals and coming home with a trophy. This time we go home having found the best trophy in the last 4 years. We've never been able to try and crack this group dance category. And thanks to Team Promenade, we made this happen, and this is a moment of history for us when it comes to fun, because we take our fun very seriously, and we wanted to thank Engage for More and Nishant for this fantastic experience. Thank you all so much, Team Promenade. This is the time to try and shout out and say how happy we are. But hey, we are not done yet. Our CTC rock stars have a small treat just for you.
मुझे ऑफिस नहीं जाना है. मुझे ऑफिस नहीं जाना है. ओ सीनियर को नहीं झेलना है. ओ एक बंक में सभी पीना है. मुझे ऑफिस नहीं. रात भर पियो, सुबह तक जियो. रात भर पियो, सुबह तक जियो. फिर भी बज गए सारे 9.